A single massive battery order just quietly shattered every historic record in clean energy history. And no, it wasn't for lithium, cobalt, or any rare earth metal the world saw coming. The automotive world was hit with a staggering 60 gigawatt-hour order for a technology that most top experts dismissed as a complete joke just 2 years ago. To put that number into perspective, 60 gigawatt-hours is enough electricity to charge every single smartphone on planet Earth simultaneously.
The powerhouse pulling the strings isn't a speculative startup. It's the largest battery manufacturer alive. And the raw material fueling this entire multi-billion-dollar shift is so cheap, ordinary, and unremarkable that you probably have it on your dining table right now. That's right, a battery made fundamentally from table salt just became the most disruptive technology on Earth, unlocking a secret scientists spent 40 years trying to solve. To understand why this change is so monumental, we have to look closely at the cracks forming in our current lithium-dominated world.
30 years, lithium reigned supreme because its tiny particles could pack a high energy density into an incredibly tight space. But that tight packing comes with a terrifying hidden price tag: extreme volatility. The liquid electrolyte inside traditional lithium cells is highly combustible. If one cell gets punctured or overheats, it triggers a catastrophic domino effect. In fact, battery fires have officially overtaken electrical issues as a leading cause of fatal structural fires in major tech hubs like New York City.
So, by decoupling our green energy future from volatile, expensive mining monopolies, table salt might have just won the electric vehicle race. Subscribe and let me know what you think in the comments.